Today we're making a recipe from Brenda Hallmark. It's her mom's chocolate chess pie. So we're going to get started. She told me to preheat the bottom of the pie crust before I put the filling in there. So I've done that and we're going to get started. So the first thing I do whenever I use cocoa on a cake or pie or anything is I mix it with my dry ingredients to get it equally distributed. So we're going to put in 1.5 cups of sugar. It's 3 tablespoons of cocoa. I like it to be pretty chocolatey. All right, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. And we're going to mix all these dry ingredients together. You can use a hand mixer, but I choose, when I make pies, just to use a whisk. I never really use a mixer for pies unless I need to beat up some sweet potatoes or something like that. So you just want to get this cocoa mixed in here good so that you don't have like pieces of cocoa in your pie. Now the next thing you're going to do is melt 1/2 stick of butter. You're going to add 2 eggs. Beat that up. 1/2 cup of whole milk. A little bit of vanilla. So we've got everything in here except our dry ingredients. And now you're just going to combine the dry ingredients and mix it up real good. And get it in the pie shell and into the oven. This is going to bake at 350 degrees. And it says it's going to bake about 35 to 40 minutes. So I'm sure it'll probably take it 40 minutes because this is a lot of mix. Make sure you beat it good. Get that flour mixed in there good. She used the electric mixer when she mixed it up, probably just to make sure that flour got distributed in there good. You can see a few small pieces of flour in there. All right, and that should do it. We're going to get it into our pie crust and into the oven. Now when you have a really runny filling, you can always put your pie crust on the shelf of your oven and pour it into the pie crust while it's in the oven. But I have a deep pie crust, so I don't think it's going to be too sloshy for me to transfer it, okay? So we're going to put this in here. We have never made a chocolate chess pie. We've had requests for them, so hopefully this is going to be delicious. It smells good already. We're going to get it in the oven, and I'll let y'all watch it bake. All right, it's done, and it smells so good, don't it, Chris? Mm-hmm. And it's set up good, it's not jiggling. So we're gonna let it cool. It says cool completely before you cut it. Chocolate chess, yummy yum. All right, we're gonna try our chess pie. I'm super excited. And we're gonna cut into it. And I've let it cool, but it's still a little bit warm. I'm always in a hurry to try these pies. And it can cool some more. I'm cutting it a little bit early, okay? Let's give it a try. Yummy. This reminds me a lot of Granny's cooked pudding pie. I'll let Chris taste it.
I'm all sweaty and nasty. No.
Oh, he can't taste it. Absolutely delicious. And once it gets cool, I'm sure it'll be even better set up. But y'all, it's absolutely dreamy. It tastes so much like my Granny's pudding pie. You know, her chocolate meringue. Tastes a lot like that. My kids are going to go crazy over this one. Woo! Thank you, Brenda. This is amazing and delicious, and everybody's going to rave over it. I can guarantee you that. You will not be sorry you made this pie. We'll see you next time on Collard Valley Cooks, where we cook our viewers' holiday recipes. Love ya. Bye.